All right, let's talk about the Fujifilm FinePix S. Check it out, vintage SD com, regarding where the SD card goes. So I'm going to show you that right off the bat. And it was kind of funny, but not funny. So anyways, the SD card goes right there. Okay, so there it is. I happen to be using this one right here, but you can use other SD cards, higher SD cards as well. And I'm going to show you the footage and the pictures from this camera, so stick around. It does use 4 AA batteries, which I have right here. Okay, this is the way they go in, just towards the bottom right there. Be aware if you're using the video function for this camera, it does go through these batteries, so maybe get some rechargeable batteries. That might be a good idea. Oh, here is the HDMI and USB out. Okay, so you can send the signal out. I haven't tried live streaming with this camera. I think I might give it a shot, and you can do that via that right there, but let me find out if you can actually do that. The way you turn on this camera is by, see this button here? You're just gonna hold it, wait for that green light, and then boom, this comes on. And I don't have the date and time set, so we can just go back. That's your display, and you can bring that back if you want to see what, you need to know what all the information on your card is. I have it set to this mode right here, which a lot of people enjoy doing that. Let me show you how to get to that mode. So, because it gives it that old Fujifilm black and white look. Okay, so that's how you access that. And you go here. This will have the chrome look. Okay, it's strange because chrome is associated with black and white, but in reference to this Fujifilm, chrome means just the color film that Fujifilm is known for. And then here's the black and white, or you can just have it standard. So it's up to you, but that's how you access this right there. You can film with it. I have filmed with it. As a matter of fact, I'm going to put a video right here from this camera right now. Using the chrome and the black and white, which is very nice. It does zoom in really far, so let's check that out right now. Let's put in that video. It zooms in really far, which is nice. You also have these different buttons up here that you can use. I'm not sure if you can program them. I never tried programming the buttons, but here they are. And here is your zoom in and out, which if you use it like that, if you zoom out, and let me show you how the lens protrudes out that way. Okay, it goes out very far. This is not interchangeable, so you can't switch out lenses at all. By the way, here is your flash. So there's the flash right there. Okay, so if you need to use the flash, there it is. There's no hot shoe mount whatsoever. There is these strap holders on the side for your strap. Let's bring back that focusing. There we go. So you got to hold it, and then it kind of comes back in. All right, so let me know if you use Fujifilm, if you are familiar with this vintage camera. I like it. I like the aesthetics of it. It's not, you can't fit it in your pocket or anything like that, but carrying it around is a medium-sized type of camera. And yep, hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments.